classic question. Do you think we are on the ground floor?
Gotta say, yes.
Yes. First one we are going to is a neighborhood. Going to find the entrance.
Okay, let's see if we can find the entrance. Got it. Just asking Suvan here if they'll ever demolish a place like this, and I hope they don't.
It's difficult to build and also difficult to demolish.
Good, good.
We're now going to find the inside part.
Look at this little car.
We just take a look.
Ah, right, so this is that place we could see when we looked through the gap over the bridge. So what actually is that?
Police office.
Is it?
But
Okay.
no one is inside.
No one there, yeah. You don't need police in this neighbourhood, I think. How condensed it feels is amazing. I like it. So.
We were standing there on that bridge.
Oh yeah. So we were up there.
Remember the building with the red door? We are going there. How can we get to there?
That's a good question.
Do not jump from here.
Yeah. All right, let's find out how we can get to the red door.
Not the flowers.
Yeah. So do you think people like this must live here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you think they see a lot of people coming here with cameras?
I don't think so.
No?
It's a secret path.
Ah, okay. All right, back out onto the street.
Here it is.
All right, this way. Wow, look at that. There's that police box, yeah? Wow.
Because today the two neighborhoods, they are not popular online.
Okay.
So many people know this place and they will not come to this place.
Ah, okay, okay. So it's very quiet. Here it is. The little red door. So do you think these bridges, were they always there?
They were built after.
Ah, right. So it's a later addition just because they don't have elevators.
For the old buildings,
Yeah.
they were built around 1980s and 1990s. They do not have elevators. So that's why Chongqing people need this guy.
Yeah.
You need to go down the stairs,
Okay.
all the way down.
All the way down. I thought we were down though. It's like we started at a road. No. All right. After you.
I'm not sure why they have the brand here. Maybe it will become a store.
Ah, cool. What does it say?
Drink, coffee, and beer.
Coffee and beer. It's a shame we're early. But yeah, next time I come back here, maybe there will be somewhere I can stop in, get a couple of beers or a coffee. That'll be the plan next time.
Still need to go down.
Oh, still going down. Wait a minute, I'm going to see how many floors it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14-ish, something like that. So also, Suvan, I hear that buildings in China, they don't mark the 4th floor. Have you ever heard that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So why is that?
Because the pronunciation of 4 in Chinese is
yeah.
四.
Oh, yeah.
And it sounds similar to die.
Oh, okay.
Die is
That
四.
Makes sense.
4
Yeah.
is 四.
Yeah, you don't want to live on the death floor.
Yeah. Now we are in the neighborhood.
Cool, let's have a look.
After walking all the way down the stairs, now into the neighborhood.
Excellent. So these older people, they've got to walk up and down all these stairs. They must be really fit. This is the kind of flower the neighbourhood's named after. All right, can you say it for us again, please? What's it called?
桂花.
Guihua. Okay. It's not far from the centre at all, but it's so quiet. Quite surprised. It's nice. It wouldn't be bad to live here. I'd like it, actually. Peaceful.
Because it's inside the box. Oh, there's a cat. So it's a vertical neighborhood.
Right.
Like we just see.
Oh, yeah.
For example, the unit 1 is there on the top, and unit 2 is here.
Yeah. So when people say vertical neighbourhoods, I hear that over and over since I've come to Chongqing, vertical neighbourhoods. Now I think I understand what that means. Number 1 starts at the top, yeah? Then you work your way down the hill as the
To
numbers.
number 2.
Ah, okay, cool. Now you know. It's a little bit busier down here.
Local clinic. Here do shop.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
You can hear the sound of mahjong. Okay, let's go to the second neighborhood.
Let's go.
The most popular shop in the old neighborhood is this kind of shop.
What kind of shop is it?
棋牌室 for playing cards, chess, mahjong, and drink tea.
Ah, okay, interesting. And do they play for fun?
This way.
You go in any direction, right? Because even looking at things that way, you see there's like a view right over to the city. Yeah, let's go over there a second. You said the price
Might drop this
is, yeah, why? Don't know.
Don't know.
All right, well, there's a gap to get in and invest. Right, buy the dip. Someone just told us it's a perfect spot to take a video and a picture, so let's go find it. Yeah, cheers. You know, I think most places when you're walking around here make a really good spot to stop and make a video and take a picture, to be honest. It's quite a drop, actually.
If we keep walking straight,
Mhm.
then you will get into the second neighborhood.
Oh.
Neighborhood is called Xindu
Xindu
Alley. It's so quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet. But just a few hundred meters away is the city centre, like a kilometre.
Hey, the perfect spot.
Perfect spot, not just a good spot.
Yeah.
Perfect spot, all right.
Takes time for you to wait for a metro.
Ah, okay.
See here, you can see one metro
Mhm.
over there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
There will be a closer
I can see
metro
one there too, yeah.
A pavilion there.
Mm,
And
nice.
we can see the river and
Oh, yeah.
beach and building at the same time.
Yeah, all right, awesome. All right, let's go.
We are now waiting for the train.
Yeah, well,